What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I just changed the engine oil on my GMC Yukon, and now it's time to reset that oil life system. So if you want to see how it's done, stay with me in this video. There are two methods to reset oil life for the 2007 to 2014 GMC Yukon. You can use the gas pedal or the cluster display to reset it. So let me guide you the gas pedal method first. Step 1. Turn the key on, but not start the car. Step 2. Then, within 5 seconds, push the accelerator pedal 3 times so that it will reset your oil life. Once you're done, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify that the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat the process or try the second method. Next, I will show you how to perform the oil life reset procedure on the GMC Yukon, which will monitor the cluster display and use the keys to the right-hand side of the cluster. So here's the way to reset it. Step 1. Turn the key on. Step 2. Use the button with the vehicle icon, and we'll press that until we get to the oil life screen. Step 3. Hold down the checkmark button, and after a few seconds that will change to 100% and you're done. To reset the oil life on the 2015 to 2020 GMC Yukon, you will use the steering wheel buttons and will pay attention to the gauge cluster. So just follow me along. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the left navigation button to access the cluster applications. Step 3. Press the up or down navigation button to highlight the info menu, and then press the check button to enter. Step 4. Now, we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we find the remaining oil life. Step 5. Once you're on that screen, you're going to press the right arrow, and it's going to give you a reset option, and then press the check button to select. Step 6. Highlight yes and hit the checkmark button to perform the oil life reset, and you're done. In this section, I will show you how to reset oil life on the latest generation of GMC Yukon. This method is also very easy because, like the previous generation, we will use the navigation buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. So let's do it. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Use the left or right navigation button on the steering wheel to go to the Info tab menu. Step 3. Go down by rotating the dial wheel down until you see the oil life screen. Step 4. Now, all you have to do is press the dial wheel, and the system will ask you to reset. Step 5. Move to yes and press the dial wheel again to confirm it, and you're done. So that's what I've got for you for a basic oil life reset after an oil change on the GMC Yukon. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. So thanks for your time, and see you next time.